Dear children, let's write the story of the evergreen trees. Why do the evergreen trees remain green throughout the year when all the trees shed their leaves in winter season? Let's begin. Years ago, it started to get cold in Russia. The birds decided to fly away from cold northern climes to the warm south, somewhere in India. But there was a little bird with a broken wing who could not fly. He thought of finding a warm place where he could spend his winter safely and get enough food. He went to many trees to ask for shelter. First, he went to the silver birch tree and asked if he could stay in his warm branches, but the birch tree refused to help him. Children, the little bird who could not fly away and could not go anywhere else went to birch tree to ask for the shelter so that he could stay there without any problem. As the birch tree refused to help him to give shelter, then he went to oak tree and later to the willow tree. They refused to help him too. The little bird was disappointed. Then the spruce tree saw him and offered him to stay in his warm branches. The pine tree said he would keep the wind off, and the juniper tree offered his berries to eat. So, children, while willow tree and oak tree also refused the little bird to help, spruce tree, pine tree, and juniper tree offered their help to him. And let us see what happened one night. And one night the north wind came and puffed all the leaves of the trees and made them fall. Only the trees which were kind to the little bird were spared. Their kindness and unselfish nature paid them, and that is why evergreen trees may keep their leaves even in winter. So, children, this is the story of evergreen trees. Why these trees can keep their leaves during the whole year while others may shed their leaves. Write this story in your notebook in a neat hand and do the written practice as well. Learn it properly and try to learn the moral of the story that kindness never goes unpaid. Bye bye. Have a nice day.